It's bacon day! Bacon day! I'm making bacon for lunch with scrambled eggs and toast. Julia just got back from her dance class. Kelly, close your eyes. Also other vegetarians, close your eyes. I'm about to show the cooking bacon. Yikes, that's a gross stove. That's better. We just finished breakfast Sunday morning, and we're gonna go for a walk, and because it's beautiful outside, and then we're gonna go shopping and then go to church. It's just so beautiful outside. It's a little bit chilly, but really beautiful.
You couldn't have said all that after you spit?
Nope. Look at this beautiful little tunnel of beauty and spring we just walked under.
Skybird.
We didn't go shopping. Instead, we took a marvelous nap. Living on a prayer. So Julia's at work today, and I went to Sears because it's spring, so now all winter apparel is on sale. And the winter jacket I have right now is awful, so I bought a good winter jacket for next year because it was super on sale. It's in the back seat. I hope you can see it. For lunch today, I'm having one of my absolutely favorite breakfasts, which is bagel with cream cheese and a big glass of orange juice. I thought I would wear my Make Bagels shirt while eating it. I'm in the parking lot of the bank. It's 4:07. My plan was stop at the bank, and then I was gonna pick up Julia from work, and then we were gonna go to the chiropractor. That's why I changed my clothes for the millionth time today. But the bank closes at 4, not 5 like you would expect. Good news. Just found a different PNC bank that is open until 6 o'clock, and it's on my way to picking up Julia from work. So, lesson learned. If you complain about something, it'll get fixed. Also, even better news, I got lollipops. One for me and one for Julia. Also, there's geese in the parking lot of this bank. Just another reason to like it. Ooh. So I was just driving down the road, and this randomly just suddenly turns into do not enter with ducks. Or chickens. Both.
Look at the amazing dinner my husband made. Compliments to the chef.
Wee wee! Julia gets to have toast for breakfast. With the famous jam, which is almost gone now. Only a few days later. Good morning, Friday. Julia's off to work already. Today my shift started at noon, so I had all morning to sleep in and putz around and stuff. So I'm eating my breakfast. This is the last day I'm going to have bagels because there's only one left. I'm going to save it for Julia. It's so beautiful outside. I'm so excited to get out there. Walk to the bus stop and then walk from the bus stop to work. It's just going to be an awesome day.